All right, here's the deck that I started last Sunday, and let me get you in a little closer. I can kind of show you what my thought process was in building this tiny 4-foot by 8-foot deck. All right, so I built two of these little stands. Basically, there's one and two, and then I have the joists here that are going to be running this way. And you're like, well, Anson, that's not normally how a deck is built. Normally, all of the joists go, this way. That way, your top boards that lay on the deck go with the house. Well, I got something new coming up, so less talking, more working. So let's go check it out. One more. All right, all the boards are cut and in place. Now to get them screwed in, and I also brought a persuader in the event that I need to move them. So let's get these screwed down.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Gladis went and got us another board. Need one more for where the steps are gonna go, but battery died. Now the almost wore a path out right here with as many steps I've been taking, so we'll get another battery.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. To be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright, so I'm going to show you during this process how to get a board that has a large crown in it like that, to where if you're joining these together for post, and I had to do the same thing with that one, but you only saw it on time lapse. So I start at one end, get your end flush, the sides flush, putting 2 nails in. I do try to come in at a little out of an angle. Now you can go get a clamp these together and then do it, but you don't have to do that if you work your way down the board. So come down about 1 foot, put this nail in at an angle this way, and then come back at the other direction. Now you got 2 nails going in that way, they won't want to pull apart from each other. And just do the same thing, work your way down the board. Make sure your sides are flush. You don't want to do that. See if I can't get that in there. Nope. Come back to it. And that takes all that bow out of that board. And you just throw in a few nails on the other side. Good to go. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and end it here at this point. Mainly because I'm out of hardware. I don't have any more screws or nails. I even double checked and looked in the shop for my buddy. His shop, his stuff. I don't know exactly where everything's at. So I couldn't find anything. Not the cleanest in there, but that's okay. But I guess I'll go ahead and make this a two-part thing. And sounds like someone's getting in some dinner. But I didn't show the very beginning. I kind of went back and talked about that a little bit at the very beginning of the video. And then now I'm not able to really finish it up. But if you look closely, you can kind of see all I got left is the decking on the top. And you can kind of see what we might be going for. So make sure you're subscribed. Leave us a comment down below. Share us out to your friends. And always thank a veteran. It's Veterans Day weekend. So you might as well always thank a veteran every chance you get. All right. We'll see you all on the next one. Bye-bye now.